Health in depth. Here is a wealth of information, and it may take some time to cover all the details. My goal is to create a comprehensive resource that anyone can watch and benefit from. The eyes are a highly sensitive organ in the human body that is particularly vulnerable to oxidative damage. Constant screen time and exposure to environmental stressors, combined with a nutrient-deficient diet, can lead to eye strain and various age-related eye problems like macular degeneration, dry eyes, cataract, diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma, presbyopia, and even vision loss. The eyes are a complex organ and require a variety of essential nutrients to function properly. Some of them safeguard the outer layer of the eye, whereas others provide assistance to the retina and optic nerve. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can not only improve your vision but also protect it from further damage from age-related eye diseases. A healthy and balanced diet is important, but the recommended daily intake of vitamins and minerals that the eyes need can be challenging through diet alone. While supplements are available over the counter, it is important to be cautious about the dosage of each ingredient and to seek advice from your primary care doctor or an eye care professional. For example, taking too much zinc can affect the absorption of copper in the body. So, what are the magical ingredients that can keep your eyes healthy and thriving? Let's find out. We have provided the links for relevant research in the description box below. 1. Bilberry extract. Bilberry has been used for centuries to improve vision. It improves blood flow to the eyes, which can enhance night vision and prevent damage to the retina. It was reported that British pilots consumed bilberry to enhance their night vision during World War II. It also helps to reduce inflammation in the blood vessels of the eyes, which can reduce the risk of diabetic retinopathy. Health in-depth tips. While bilberries and their extracts are generally safe, they contain anthocyanosides that can inhibit blood platelets from sticking together. As a result, bilberry extract may interact with anticoagulant medications such as warfarin. 2. Quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antihistamine properties. It can protect from developing cataracts and macular degeneration. It is also beneficial for eye allergies, like allergic conjunctivitis, as well as diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma. 3. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid protects the eyes against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major factors for eye diseases like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. It also helps regulate glucose metabolism and prevents diabetic retinopathy, one of the most common diabetic eye problems. Some studies suggest that alpha-lipoic acid also protects against glaucoma by reducing intraocular pressure. Glaucoma can damage the optic nerve, leading to vision loss. 4. Lutein. 5. Zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are important carotenoids present in the retina of the eye and are believed to lower the risk of macular degeneration, cataracts, and atherosclerosis. They are a yellow pigment found in the retina that functions like sunglasses to protect the eyes. Health in-depth tips. If you have blue eyes, you might need more lutein and zeaxanthin to keep your eyes healthy. That's because blue-eyed beauties have less pigmentation in their eyes, which means they need some extra protection provided by these powerful nutrients. Behind every video I create is an insane amount of effort to make sure you get the best, most accurate, and in-depth information. If you enjoy your time here and learn something new, give my videos a like and share them with friends and family who can benefit. 6. N-acetylcysteine, NAC. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, is an amino acid that can protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes. It can be beneficial for age-related eye problems like cataracts and macular degeneration, as well as dry eye syndrome, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids can improve vision due to their anti-inflammatory effect and protect the eyes from oxidative damage. They also benefit dry eyes and age-related macular degeneration. 8. Astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a carotenoid that helps protect from age-related vision problems. Its potential usefulness in improving eye health and treating ocular diseases is promising. Natural sources of astaxanthin are 20 times more effective compared to synthetic ones. The microalgae Haematococcus pluvialis provides the best supplemental source of astaxanthin. To promote vision health, a daily intake of 4 to 12 milligrams is typically beneficial. Rutin. Rutin is a bioflavonoid that is found in buckwheat. It has the ability to strengthen the capillaries, which are crucial for good eye health. 10. Vitamin C complex. Vitamin C helps you see, as it can help us fight against glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataract. 11. Vitamin D. Vitamin D has a role in cataract prevention. Research has shown that individuals with low levels of vitamin D in their blood have an increased risk of developing cataracts. 12. Chromium. Chromium is an essential mineral that can reduce the risk of developing increased intraocular pressure, which is becoming more common in people who spend extended periods in front of computer screens. The deficiency of chromium in the diet can make the eyes tired and cause unnecessary stress to them. Adding chromium can help alleviate eye strain and make reading easier. 13. Zinc. Zinc is an important mineral that is crucial for vision health. We can experience blurred vision due to zinc deficiency. Melanin is a pigment that safeguards the eyes against UV light. Zinc is necessary for the transport of vitamin A from the liver to the retina to form melanin. Health in-depth tips. A. Certain percentage of the population is sensitive to long-term supplementation with zinc at a dose equal to and higher than 25 mg per day. There is some genetic testing available like Vita Risk, Macular Risk, and Macular Risk PGX to rule out that possibility. We acknowledge that genetic tests are not accessible or feasible for everyone. On that note, a daily zinc intake of 8 mg in women and 11 mg for men is generally safe even for long-term use. B. Excessive intake of zinc can impact the absorption of copper in the body. Therefore, any zinc supplement you take should always be balanced with copper in an 8:1 ratio. 14. Copper. Copper is necessary for the formation of several key enzymes that protect the eye from oxidative damage. Copper deficiency can result in a range of eye-related problems, including impaired vision, light sensitivity, and alterations in pigmentation. Copper is a vital trace element along with vitamin C, and helps in the formation of collagen in the sclera, the white part of the eye. It also plays a significant role in blood production. A copper deficiency can lead to a decrease in hemoglobin levels, which can eventually cause vision problems. 15. Selenium. Selenium is a trace mineral that fights infections and is an immunity booster. It can neutralize free radicals and protect the lens and macula from damage. Low levels of selenium have been linked to glaucoma. Selenium can also improve the absorption of vitamin E. 16. Vitamin E. Studies show that inadequate levels of vitamin E can lead to vision problems, weakened muscles, and inflammation in the eyes. Health in-depth tips. It is best to take a vitamin E complex, with mixed tocopherols and tocotrienols. 17. Vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness, which makes it crucial for maintaining good vision, particularly in situations with reduced illumination, such as at dusk or in dimly lit rooms. Health in-depth tips. Smokers should avoid vitamin A supplements as they can increase their risk of developing lung cancer. 18. Idebenone. Idebenone is a synthetic analog of coenzyme Q10. It is neuroprotective and improves mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the energy-producing organelles within our cells, and their proper function is critical for maintaining healthy eyes. Idebenone has the potential to slow the progression of vision loss in Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy. It protects the eyes from oxidative damage and can help improve visual acuity, the ability to see the finer details. Idebenone also improves contrast sensitivity, the ability to distinguish between an object and its background, particularly when the two have little contrast between them. Idebenone has been shown to protect retinal cells from oxidative stress, which can cause damage and lead to vision loss in conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD. 19. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is important for maintaining healthy nerve function in the eyes. A deficiency in thiamine can lead to optic neuropathy, which can cause vision loss. 20. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, is necessary for the metabolism of glutathione, which helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Vitamin B2 can reduce the risk of cataracts, one of the most common age-related eye problems. 21. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, in some studies, has shown promising results in preventing glaucoma. Health in-depth tips. People at higher risk of B1 deficiency are those who drink alcohol daily. People who drink more than 480 milliliters of tea or coffee per day. On metformin. On furosemide, a blood pressure medication. After gastric bypass surgery. Patients on dialysis. Cancer patients. And people with a body mass index of 30 or higher. It is important to take preventative measures to preserve your eye health, and starting early is recommended. But these nutrients can even slow down the progression of age-related vision problems in older folks, making them beneficial for everyone. Leave your feedback, any questions, or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.